Hello, Southern Tennessee Mom. A big shout out from Tennessee. I hope you're having a lovely day. Today, I'm going to make a Father's Day gift for my husband. Now, this would be a great birthday gift, whatever, a Christmas gift, whatever. I'm going to make a valet for the top of his dresser. So, now you could just do one of these if you wanted. He has a big dresser and he has a lot of stuff. So we're going to actually do two. So I've got these. I've got some Jenga blocks here that I'm going to use. And I got these trays at the Dollar Tree. They were $5 a piece. And then I got this roll of felt there from Crafter Square. It's black. I've got some silver spray paint. I'm going to paint this silver. I think a little bit, look really good. And I've got these little boxes that had a wooden box top. I just put the top over there. I'm going to use it for a different project, but I'm just going to use the bottom of these. I've got 4 of those. I've got some Jenga blocks, and I've got some of these little blocks, wooden blocks that you can get from the Dollar Tree in a package. And I've got 2 rows of 3 more Jenga blocks over here. So I'm going to start gluing my wood pieces together. Just the smaller pieces. I'm just using hot glue, Gorilla Glue. Now, you can use wood glue if you want. I'm going to use this for this project. It'll be quick and it's going to stay. It's not going to go anywhere. Okay, we've got our pieces glued together. And so I'm going to, before I take those outside and spray paint them, I am going to add a little bit more glue here around the edges of this, just to give it a little bit more support. So I'm going to do the bottom. I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, I've added glue inside and out. So now I'm going to take all of the pieces outside and I'm going to spray paint them, and I'll be back when they're done. It's spray painted really nice on that wood. It looks really good. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay out my felt. Let me move this one to this side. Just a minute. Now this felt is a little bit longer than this, so I'm going to have to lay it in here and trim it, and once I get it, I'm going to glue it down, and once I get it glued down, I'll be back. We got our pieces lined with felt, and we're going to start putting the pieces together. I'm going to join these 2 pieces together here. Okay, and here we go. We've got all the pieces in the valet tray. This would be a place for TV remote, phone, watch, change whatever else he wants to put over here. And this will sit right on top of his dresser. Hope you have a blessed evening, and happy Father's Day to everyone out there. I hope you have a great day. And goodbye. God bless you.